Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down NVIDIA's stock ticker symbol NVIDIA, using simple trendline analysis and technical indicators. Is it about to crash further, or is a reversal coming soon? Let's find out. What you're looking at is a daily candlestick chart for NVIDIA. Each candle represents 1 day of price movement. We've added a trend line that connects the recent lower highs. This helps us visualize the current downtrend. We also have some moving averages and a colored band that shows volatility similar to Bollinger bands. But don't worry, we'll keep things beginner-friendly. As you can see, the stock is in a clear downtrend. The price continues to make lower highs and lower lows, which is a classic bearish pattern. We're also trading below the 200-day moving average, that's the pink line. This means long-term momentum is negative. Sellers are still in control. Every time the price tries to break higher, it gets rejected around the same trend line, acting like a ceiling. Let's talk about price levels to watch. Resistance, around $118 to $122. That's where price failed several times recently. Support, around $100 to $96. That's the base where buyers came in to defend the price. If we break below $96 with strong volume, that could signal a deeper fall. But if we break above $122 with momentum, we might be seeing a trend reversal. Volume is the fuel behind price movement. Notice how big green candles often come with low volume? That's a red flag, weak buyer strength. For a bullish breakout to be real, we need to see higher than average volume on green days. Otherwise, it's just noise. Scenario 1, bearish continuation. If NVIDIA stays below the trend line, it's likely to drift lower or retest the $100 zone. This could be a warning sign for long-term investors. Scenario 2, bullish breakout. If the price breaks the trend line and closes above $122 with strong volume, that could signal the beginning of a new uptrend. But remember, confirmation matters. Never chase the first breakout candle, wait for a second one to confirm. So what's next for NVIDIA? The chart is telling us caution. We're in a downtrend, and unless something changes, it's too early to be overly bullish. But if you're a long-term investor, this could be a good time to watch and wait. And if you're a trader, trend lines like this help you stay disciplined by strength, not hope. Thanks for watching. What do you think about NVIDIA right now? Drop your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple stock analysis. See you next time.